To update your Mac to macOS Sequoia, go to betaprofiles.com. Now here, make sure to check out the compatibility list to ensure that your Mac is compatible with macOS Sequoia. After checking the compatibility, go back and scroll down a bit. Here under macOS 15, click on How to Install, and then follow all the steps mentioned. Now, click on Open Software Update, and your system settings will open. Here, as you can see, I'm already signed in with an Apple ID. Now select macOS Sequoia Developer Beta next to the Beta Updates options, and click on Done. After the software upgrade is fetched for your device, click on Upgrade Now and agree to the SLA, and wait till the process is finished. And as you can see, the device has been successfully upgraded to macOS Sequoia 15.0, and the build number is 24A5264N. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below.